Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be lit because we'll be doing some massive unboxing in this video. As you can see, I've got huge packages on my desk. The thing is, it was Christmas, right, day before yesterday. So I got a lot of products and packages as gifts on that day. So I thought let's make some special Christmas gift unboxing. I actually received a lot of parcels and I don't think I can cover all of them in a single video. That's why I thought I'll split them up and make different videos. In this particular video, we'll be checking out all these awesome products from this brand called as AeroCool. If you guys don't know, AeroCool is a PC brand, guys. They make a lot of PC components, like they make RGB cabinets, cooling related items like air coolers, liquid coolers, fans, and even gaming chairs, and that too at a very reasonable price tag. So in this video, we'll be checking out these products. The brand has sent them some cabinets. As you can see, these huge boxes are gaming cabinets. I don't need to tell, you can just look at the box and tell that this is AeroCool's Scar RGB cabinet and that one is AeroCool's Claw ARGB cabinet, guys. And these come with really awesome preset, lighting effects and come with some really cool features. And in this video, I'm going to unbox and we're going to check out all of those features. So those two big boxes are cabinets. And coming to this third one, I'm not sure what's in this because there's nothing written on the box. But looking at the size, I'm expecting there is some sort of, cooler inside, maybe air or CPU liquid cooler. I'm not sure. We'll have to unbox and see. So which one should we get started with? Let's first check out AeroCool's Claw ARGB cabinet, guys. Let me just keep these aside and then we'll unbox all the products one by one. Okay, this is also going aside. So here it is, AeroCool's new Claw ARGB gaming cabinet. It comes with some really awesome design, guys, like it's got these claw-like strips on the front that glow in complete ARGB colors and also has tempered glass panels on the side. Let's see what's written on it. As you can see, we've got the claw branding and says RGB addressable. Pretty cool, right? Okay, nothing much on it. We'll just quickly unbox it, take the cabinet out, and I'll show you how it looks like. Here we go. The AeroCool's Claw is a premium mid-tier gaming case and comes only in one color, which is black. And this is how the case looks like. Holy smokes, just look at that design. It's got a very unique design with RGB claw strips on the front. So before we talk about that in detail, let's also unbox the other cabinet and see how that looks like. So this is the second case from AeroCool. The case has a beautiful and stylish LED strip on the front that kinda looks like a scar, and hence the name. It's a high-performance mid-tier gaming case and also comes with a tempered glass panel. The Scar is a budget category cabinet, while the Claw is a mid-range category one. We'll talk about the pricing details at a later part in the video. So here it is, this is how AeroCool's Scar RGB gaming case looks like. I have to say, the brand makes some pretty nice looking cases with unique designs. You can find a lot more designs on their website. Alright guys, I'll give you a complete overview on both of them in a moment. But first, I'm curious to know what's in that third box. So let me unbox that package also quickly and see what's on the inside. Okay, as expected, we got a CPU cooler in this box. It's their brand new air cooler and is called as a Cylon 4. Even this is an ARGB cooler and offers some pretty good features for the price point. And finally, we also got some RGB fans from the brand. They're called the Cosmo 12 and have a fixed RGB lighting. They're very affordable budget category PC fans. So that's it, we're all done with the unboxing part. Now let's talk about the cabinets. The AeroCool's Claw is a premium mid-tier case. It's got a sleek matte black paint job with claw-like strips on the front panel that feature fully controllable addressable RGB lighting. Talking about the build quality is very good. The main case is made of SPCC steel, while the front panel is made of a high quality ABS material and comes with two tempered glass panels on both the sides. We've got the AeroCool branding on the bottom, and have I mentioned that the RGB lighting on it can be controlled in multiple ways. There's a convenient LED effects button on the front, or you can control it via compatible motherboard software, or even using the provided remote control in the box. Alright, let me give you an inside view of the cabinet. As you can see, we've got two tempered glass side panels on it, and removing that exposes a lot of vents at the side for good airflow and circulation. And this is how the inside looks like. The AeroCool's claw supports different motherboards like ATX, Micro ATX as well as Mini ITX. And the good thing about the case is, the case comes with 3 pre-fitted ARGB fans, one at the rear and 2 at the top side. They're 120mm dual ring addressable RGB LED fans and supports up to 280mm radiators on both the front and the top side. So that's it over here. Going to the top, this is where we've got all the front panel I/O ports and buttons. Let me show you. There's a power button, a reset button, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.0 port, and an LED effect control button, using which you can easily change the RGB lighting on the go. And also has a removable magnetic dust filter over here. On the other side, we've got the cable management section, 2 SSD holding mounts, the PSU compartment, and hard disk cage just beside that. And as I mentioned before guys, this case comes with its own built-in LED lighting and fan controller hub. You can attach up to 10 fans to it, control their speeds, and even control their LED lighting effects. Very cool, right? So that was our complete look at AeroCool's claw. Now let's check out the Scar from AeroCool. The Scar is a mid-tower case designed to offer high performance with RGB lighting at a very affordable price tag. It's got a Scar-like RGB LED strip running all the way from the top to the bottom of the front panel and is also fully customizable by us. The build quality is very good, just like the previous model. Even over here the chassis is made out of metal while the front panel is made of ABS material. We've got the AeroCool branding on the bottom. There's only one tempered glass panel on this model case, and if you can observe, the case has a lot of air vents on the top and the front area. This improves the overall airflow and the circulation inside the cabinet. Now let me just remove the side tempered glass panel and show you what's on the inside. The Scar is compatible with ATX, Micro ATX as well as Mini ITX motherboards. Has a dual chamber design which separates the PSU and the storage section. And since this is a budget category case, it only comes with a simple 120mm fan at the backside. That too, it's a non-RGB one. Talking about the radiator, this case supports fixing a 240mm radiator at the top and up to a 360mm one on the front side. Along with the case, we also got a packet of screws and some other accessories which can be helpful while building. And finally an SSD mount tray over here. So that was our complete overview on both the cabinets. Now let me show you the Cylon 4 cooler. This is a company's new CPU air cooler which they launched recently in India and has a quite stylish look. It's an ARGB air cooler, has a single fan on the front and is very affordable. As you can see, the cooler has a complete matte black look and even the aluminum heatsink fins on it are coated in black color. This helps in increasing the heat dissipation as well as improves the overall cooling efficiency. There's a 120mm PWM hydraulic bearing fan and even the top cover includes a stylish LED strip. The company included this top cover on the heatsink for controlled unidirectional airflow, which on the overall improves the cooling performance. And on the bottom side, we've got 2 connectors over here. And this is the CPU contact surface. It's got 4 solid copper heat pipes that provide a smooth and large surface to maximize the CPU contact area. Even these are coated in black paint. Very nice build quality. Can't wait to see it in action. And yes, have I told you that this RGB fan and the entire front cover on it is removable? You just need to unlock it and slide it upwards just like this to take the cover out. You have to remove this during the installation process. The Cylon 4 is compatible with both Intel and AMD platforms and has a max TDP of around 145 watts. Now let's check out the final product of today's video, the RGB fans from AeroCool. This is how the Cosmo 12 FRGB fans look like. They're very budget-friendly fans that come with a fixed RGB lighting. That means the lighting on them is not customizable. The fan has about 18 LEDs on it with translucent blades to give a beautiful glow while spinning. Not bad actually. Looks good for the price. It's a 120mm fan, offers good performance with 1000 RPM speed, and the LEDs on it are also quite bright and colorful. To give you guys an idea on the RGB lighting on the AeroCool's claw cabinet, I've temporarily connected a power supply to the RGB LED controller, and this is how the case looks like. Wow, such a beautiful looking cabinet. The case offers you around 15 beautiful preset lighting effects and can also be synchronized with a compatible motherboard. So I was thinking, why not make a new gaming PC build with these products? You guys let me know the budget range in the comment section and I'll get started with that. So that's it for today guys, that was our massive tech unboxing from Aerocool. We've got some amazing looking gaming cabinets with beautiful RGB lighting. Even the fans were pretty good. The Scar costs around 4,500 rupees, the Aerocool's Claw is available for 6,699 rupees, the Cylon 4 cooler costs around 2,299 rupees, and the Cosmo 12 FRGB fans are priced around 420 rupees each. Very reasonable pricing. I'll leave links to all of them in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.